guys, it's Monday morning. I want to show you where the snake bean is, and I will show you at the end of the week so you can see how long it's gotten. I am curious to see how long it'll get. Hey guys, welcome to my backyard garden. I've been looking at a lot of videos and people are talking about what they're going to do in their fall garden. Well, it gets pretty cold here, so I pretty much know what I'm going to do in my fall garden. I'm going to put a little kale and Swiss chard here in the greenhouse, and I already have them on the way. But I have been thinking about what I am going to be planting next year in my spring and summer garden. I am looking at all of the things that I'm harvesting this year, and I'm trying to plant the things that have given me the most production. Well, the squash is about done. I have harvested quite a few, and I'm very pleased. Now, this is something that I will definitely be planting again. I'm just trying to work out the spacing so they will not invade the rest of the garden. I may have to put a fence along to keep them confined into this area, but I will figure it out. These pole beans produce a lot, and this was only 6 beans that I planted here, and I will definitely be planting pole beans again. And all of my tomatoes are just growing like crazy. I got a lot of volunteer tomatoes. Even the okra did very well. I will definitely be planting my okra next year. This is an eggplant that I planted in this pot. I will plant some of these in the ground. I think they'll get a little larger if I plant them in the ground. These are the Casper eggplant that I planted for the first time, and they're coming along pretty good. I'll show you these. These are those chickpeas that I planted. This is what they look like. And I see there's quite a few flowers now. I'm not sure, but when to pick them. I'm gonna do a little research and see if I can find out. But if not, I will just leave them a little bit longer because I know they have to be shelled. So I'll see. The kava beans didn't do too well, and because the this is a weed, because the squash kept growing over it and it wasn't getting enough sun. This is some of my produce from today. I have been getting about 6 to 10 okra every day. Been eating a lot of okra. The cucumbers are just about done. These are just about the last of these volunteer cantaloupe, and I have harvested almost all of the spaghetti squash and the straight neck. All I have out there are some butternut and acorn, and I will be harvesting that soon. If you looked at my last week's video, you'll know that I went out foraging for grapes. I have been running all around trying to find these wild grapes. Came out to the backyard, and Mr. G found these. Now, when you're picking wild grapes, you have to be careful because here's some lookalikes next to them, but these are not grapes. I don't know what they are. I don't know whether you can eat them, so I'm leaving them alone. If you know, please let me. I hope you can see, but the leaves are different. This is a grape leaf, and when I'm looking at grapes, I'm always looking for, which I'm not finding on these. Where's some at? When I'm looking for grapes, I'm looking for the little tentacles. Now these are starting to dry up, so it's kind of hard, but I don't know whether you can see that. That's one thing that I look for on the grapes. They like to grab on things, and they're grabbing onto this other plant over here. I don't know what that plant is, but I'm just gonna come out here and harvest these grapes. I don't know, I may make some grape juice or some more jam. It's not a lot, so I'll probably just make grape juice. just wanted to give you a report. Today is Wednesday, and the snake bean, one of them has made it to the ground. And I'm pretty sure the other one will be there tomorrow. These things really get long. I don't know whether I'll plant them again. I just don't feel like it was that productive. And this is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.